think Prakriti steals a lot of my makeup क्योंकि वो खुद शॉपिंग नहीं करती है. सारी शॉपिंग सारा कुछ भी जो भी नया आता है मैं लेती हूँ and then Prakriti just takes it without asking me. We have the most supportive parents, but they didn't want us to actually get into singing at all. Personally, I feel like we are very different personalities, you know, like we will choose different things, choose different ways of doing it. So mom was actually a music teacher for the longest time in a Delhi school. So she always said that, Sukriti, you will do something else and Prakriti, you go do something else. I think our parents wanted variety in the family. We didn't know that the footage we are taking is ever going to be a part of a music video, you know. वो जो आप footage देख रहे हो, it's about two excited girls who are just excited to take each other in beautiful looking places, and that's about it. लम्हों में खुद को हवाओं में साथ तेरे लफ्ज़ों से तुझको सजाऊं हर दफा में.
Hi Sukriti, hi Prakriti. What's up? What's happening?
Hi, how are you? So nice to connect here. It's like
same here, same here. What are you guys doing today? Are you at your home or where are you right now?
Yes, we're at our home and just I think just constantly on YouTube and just really excited that the song's out. It happens to be our first song in the whole year, so starting the note finally this year, and super excited to have so many people do it finally.
ट्रू. अच्छा, एक और चीज होती है जब हम नाम सुनते हैं कई सॉन्ग्स के, जस्ट नाम सुन के हमें लगता है कि, और मैं जब साथ तेरे का जस्ट नाम सुन रही हूँ, मैंने नहीं देखा है फॉर एग्जाम्पल वीडियो, तो मुझे लगे क्या सॉन्ग होगा, कोई लड़का अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए गा रहा होगा या कोई गर्लफ्रेंड में बॉयफ्रेंड के लिए गा रहा होगा. यहाँ पर जब मैं वीडियो खोलती हूँ तो यहाँ पे दो सिस्टर्स आती हैं और हम एक अलग जर्नी पे लेके जाती हैं. तो ये वो जो वॉन्डरलस्ट वाली जो फीलिंग जो ये देती है, पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ कि ये जो ट्रिप पे आप लोग गए हो इस वीडियो के अंदर, ये ट्रिप पहले से प्लान था एंड बाय चांस यू गाइस यूज द क्लिप्स एंड ऑल इन द वीडियो, या फिर ये वीडियो के लिए ही गए थे?
You know, I think we've discussed this so many times, and that's the fun part about the song. Because I feel like it was very cosmic. It was like God's play. You know, it was not planned at all. In fact, ये जो भी footage आप देख रहे हो, this was shot in January. We were performing for New Year's actually, and after that we were like, we'll take a little holiday and like travel a little bit for a week and come back. तो हमने एक ट्रिप प्लान की थी and we went to Austria. And clearly we had no idea that we're going to be shooting anything, or we didn't even have a song that time. Saath Tere had not even taken birth. That's the irony, you know. अगर हमें पता होता कि ये music video वहाँ पे shoot कर, I think we would have then planned our outfits better. We would have probably taken some more time to get ready and do our makeup and hair. But I think the best part about it is that at that time we didn't know that the footage we are taking is ever going to be a part of a music video, you know. वो जो आप footage देख रहे हो, it's about two excited girls who are just excited to take each other in beautiful looking places, and that's about it. And I think the beauty of the song is that we didn't have the song when we were taking this footage, and that's why it's come off so honest and real. But in the middle of the trip we received this beat, जो सात तेरी की beat है, and then धीरे धीरे by the end of the trip, the song was taking shape, and we came back, and the first thing was we went to the studio and recorded it. And then we just sat together and thought, why don't we try to make this into a vlog? And that's exactly what we did.
नहीं, बट आपको नहीं पता था, उसके बावजूद आपने इतनी क्लिप्स ली थी वहां जो मैं देख रही हूँ, क्योंकि
I think it's all content for social media, because आप दूर जाते हो, then you want to come back and make some reels, some this, some that. And because हमें पता था कि हमारी YouTube की हम शुरुआत किसी से करेंगे, so not a music video, then it had to be a vlog. But a vlog style music video has never been attempted, so I thought it's a cool thing to do. But we didn't have the lyrics. If we had the lyrics, we would have shot some lip sync also. But we didn't have the song at the time. So.
Okay. अच्छा, सिंगिंग का पैशन तो चलो दोनों में बहुत कॉमन है और तभी साथ में काम कर रहे हो, लेकिन इसके अलावा कोई मेजर डिफरेंस है दोनों में जो दोनों की पर्सनालिटी बिल्कुल क्लैश करती है, या फिर यू बोथ आर एक्चुअली सेम इन एवरीथिंग?
No, I think we're very different. Like creatively, जब हम बात करते हैं, we're very aligned. So actually, that's the good part because we end up doing a lot of things. Like I do separate type of things
Yeah.
creatively, and she does separate. So together, creatively, we are perfect. Personally, I feel like we are very different personalities. Like we will choose different things, choose different ways of doing it. मैं थोड़ी ज़्यादा outgoing हूँ, प्रकृति थोड़ी ज्यादा टाइम लेती है लोगों को जानने में, उनसे फ्रेंडली होने में. सो there's balance, but we are different in our own ways.
ओके, सबसे ज्यादा लड़ाई किस बात पे होती है दोनों के बीच? यूजुअली जो होती है
कपड़ों के ऊपर. Usually, if I'm being really honest, I think most girls, who have siblings who are also,
Yeah.
they will agree कि कपड़ों के ऊपर बहुत लड़ाई होती है. नो, आई थिंक प्रकृति स्टील्स अ लॉट ऑफ माय मेकअप क्योंकि वो खुद शॉपिंग नहीं करती है.
हाँ.
सारी शॉपिंग, सारा कुछ भी जो भी नया आता है मैं लेती हूँ, एंड देन प्रकृति जस्ट टेक्स इट विदाउट
I can relate to this really well. I've got two siblings, two sisters. We are three. And हमारे घर में सेम सिचुएशन रहती है, चाहे कपड़े हो चाहे मेकअप हो. और अगर किसी एक को ट्रिप पे जाना पड़ जाए कहीं, तो दूसरा ये सोचता है कि अच्छा मैं इतने दिन क्या लगाने वाली हूँ, मैं क्या यूज करने वाली हूँ, तो लेके जाएगी.
Then also one more thing that Prakriti, like if you don't tell each other something and then we find out from a third person, then we're just like, how did you not tell me this? So then it's a fight. That's another fight. But it's usually like very small, silly things. Never something really big.
वो ना मिलनी चाहिए.
Good.
या अच्छा, अब तो बचपन से ही जब बिल्कुल एकदम फ्लैशबैक में जाते हैं, तो बचपन से ही दोनों का इंटरेस्ट था सिंगिंग में. बचपन में पता था कि सिंगिंग करनी है?
आई थिंक बचपन में इतना नहीं पता था. ऑफकोर्स शौक बहुत था सिंगिंग का, म्यूजिक का. आई रिमेम्बर इट वाज आवर 10th boards, 10th standard boards थे, and that's the first time I realized that just playing the piano and just playing the guitar is something I would do. If that's an option for the rest of my life, that is something that I can't possibly get bored of. And all free time mein, we used to always like record covers, on our phone. Or certain people used to come home, we used to always sing.
Yeah.
Singing, I mean, shock tha, but we didn't ever think we're going to take it very, very seriously. And in fact, like I think we have the most supportive parents, but they didn't want us to actually get into singing at all. क्योंकि हमारी एक बड़ी बहन भी आती थी, and they were very convinced कि इस family में सिर्फ एक ही singer होनी चाहिए. And we were good in studies, so mom was actually a music teacher for the longest time in a Delhi school. So she always said that, Sukriti, you will do something else, and Prakriti, you go do something else. I think our parents wanted variety in the family. So they always said, and I think as parents, you want your children to be more stable, professionally, get like a salary, do really well in their life. And this is a career where you only know as good as your next month, and then. So as parents, yeah, they didn't want us, but clearly life had other plans. So here we are.
ओके ओके. और दोनों का, अगर मैं म्यूजिक की बात करूं, क्या दोनों का टेस्ट सेम है? बिकॉज जहां तक मैं समझती हूँ, लोगों के साथ यूजुअली ऐसा होता है कि म्यूजिक में टेस्ट सेम होना इज लाइक अ ब्लेसिंग. अगर कोई मिल जाए और जिसका म्यूजिक में टेस्ट हो, तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि चलो अब हम वाइब करेंगे. तो अगर मैं आपकी बात करूं, तो दोनों के साथ यूजुअली ऐसा होता है?
I think now it's the same क्योंकि हम एक साथ म्यूजिक बनाते भी, and that's the journey that we are on together.
Yeah.
So of course, if I find a new song and I'm so excited about it and I don't want to share it with anybody else, I'll share it with her because ultimately I know what she likes. But I will never find that song. So I think when it comes to finding new songs, I find a different type of song. And Prakriti will find a different type of song. I like Arsha. Like Prakriti will find more Indian classical, semi-classical, light classical sort of songs, and I will find more of like world music, like some Spanish song. Or but when we play to each other, we both vibe and we both love it.
लवली. अगर दोनों का अगर मैं बात करूं यहाँ पर, तो कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई कंपैरिजन किया जाता हो घर में she sings well और she sings well, ऐसा कभी होता है कभी? और पहली बात है कि जितने भी आपके क्लोज फ्रेंड्स वगैरह हैं, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता चलता होगा, बट क्लोज फ्रेंड्स में कभी कंफ्यूजन है कि कौन कौन है?
फ्रेंड्स में तो मैं कहूंगी कि नहीं है. I mean that's why they are our friends because they've grown up with us and they've seen us. But I think with people that's still something that we kind of struggle with the whole identity crisis thing, and now it's like okay, we can एक साथ काम करते हैं. So
yeah.
I think पहली बार जो भी हमें कभी भी कहीं पे especially events या कहीं पे बाहर जब हम जाते हैं तब मिलता है तो you know, they always ask me if I'm Sukriti and Prakriti. It's a question I've been asked my whole life, so it's fine, and then I'll tell them who I am. And yeah, so it's a little bit of that, but obviously friends and family knows who's
ओके,
always.
व्हाट वाज योर ब्रेक थ्रू? अगर मैं उसकी बात करूं, करियर की अगर मैं बात करूं, कब आप दोनों को लगा कि नाउ पीपल आर लाइक पीपल नो अस, कि हाँ हम दो हैं और हम सिंगिंग सेंसेशन बन सकते हैं? और जस्ट इन जनरल आपको कब लगा कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा अटेंशन किस पीरियड में मिलने लगी थी?
Well, I have to say, I feel like right now with this song, Saath Tere, I feel like this is definitely our breakthrough. Kyuki, for the first time, we have attempted to, you know, do music independently.
Yeah.
You know, 20 years old, and we have decided to branch out and start our own label, which is called Supra, which is, you know,
Yeah.
and this is the most daring thing we've ever done in our career. It's very exciting, but also very, very, very nerve-wracking because this is a journey that we have decided to, you know, be on with the support of all the people who supported us all our lives, our fans, followers, listeners, our core team, our management, and of course Virgin Music as well, who are helping us with our distribution. This is literally the biggest chapter of our life that we've just started, and I'm really excited. And I think this is the start of so many beautiful things. And there'll be so much more music that we are dedicated. I think both of us have had so many turning points solo. Like I feel like there have been so many songs that have given us so much recognition. We've sung to some of the biggest actors, but all those things have happened individually. And I feel like our biggest breakthrough is now, which is together because we've just embarked on this brand new journey, and we're very excited about this year and times to come. Yeah, we're just here to have fun and finally वो म्यूजिक जो हम बहुत टाइम से नहीं रिलीज कर रहे थे, finally a lot of people are going to hear that now. So looking forward.
Okay. Have you guys really discussed, like ever discussed about if you guys were not singers, what would you be?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, पता नहीं क्योंकि try नहीं किया. जब से हम like कुछ भी कर सकते थे हम गा ही रहे हैं. I remember we started working since we were 15, 16. We used to just do this, and even when we were in college, the first 2 years after that, we've just gone on US tours with people like that as backup singers. So matlab, since the time my memory begins, it's only been this one profession. But earlier than that, when I was in school, I think in 8th, 9th standard, I wanted to be a pilot. वो वहीं पे रह गया, and then obviously life took a whole different switch, but that I really wanted to be till I was 12.
Oh, and you always wanted to be a singer?
I mean, honestly, now that I think of it, मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं है. But I feel like if I was not a singer, I would work at a music label, or I would be around musicians. I don't know, maybe I would be a manager of someone. I don't know. Something like that. I would do anything to be around
job
music.
So since we have you two today with us, एक दो lines हो जाए आपके भी, I think latest गाने की हो जाए, so that would be great. We'll end it with that.
100%. So here we're going to sing Saath Tere live, few lines from the song for you.
Yeah.
Here we go. लम्हों में खुद को हाँ पाओ साथ तेरे, लफ्जों से तुझको सजाऊं हर दफा में, दस्तके तेरी सुन सकूं मैं दिल में, लम्हों में खुद को हाँ पाऊं साथ तेरे.
Very beautiful, and I think this is one of the songs जो सारे siblings तो जरूर एक दूसरे से share करने वाले हैं to make them feel special.
Everyone, it's for siblings, it's for, you know, all your loved ones, your parents, your family, your partner, your spouse. So just give it lots of love.
Indeed. With that, thank you very much for your time, guys. It was pleasure chatting with you too, and we wish you all the very best for the upcoming songs as well that you guys are creating right now.
Thank you so much, Sonakshi. Thank you
so
so much for
much.
connecting
Thank you.
me
Bye bye.
so beautifully. Thank you,
Thank
Sonakshi.
you.
Thank you.